of our history with impeachment trials, what are the lessons and takeaways that we need and the precedents that we need to understand that were set by these two trials that we need to bring into, or how does it compare to this current impeachment trial?
That's a great question, Cheska, and very difficult to answer. All I can say now is that given everything that we know with the three impeachment trials, I think we really have to revisit. We have to revisit what the impeachment mechanism actually means or truly means in the context of our Constitution. So, in the impeachment trial of President Estrada, I was there personally and I saw it. There was already an attempt to make it like a judicial process. So there was already an attempt to mirror the judicial procedure of a trial. Now, there was also an attempt at that time to be loyal to the original design, which is the copying from the mechanism that's provided in the U.S. Constitution. So it was, kumbaga parang noon, they were trying hard to sort of blend the two thinking together, making it like a judicial process to localize the context, but also being loyal to the original design. Now, in the Corona trial, it was more of the same, right? It was more of the same. There was no changes made or adjustments made, except that in the Corona trial, I think the senator judges were given more leeway to act less as judges, but more as advocates, giving them more opportunities to ask questions, giving them more time to confront witnesses and counsels, which, by the way, is not provided in the U.S. model. The U.S. model specifically prohibits senator judges from talking, from dialoguing with counsels and the impeached official. So this is where we have a local flavor, And now in the third impeachment trial, we see that this has gone bananas already. This particular aspect of our impeachment trial. Senator judges now are basically like litigants already, and counsels for the litigants already. And that has made our impeachment model perverse in that sense, because now even senator judges can act as advocates for the parties involved. So if we are learning lessons here, I think that will be number one in the list. Senator judges becoming advocates in the impeachment trial, which is contrary to the original design which is found in the U.S. Constitution.